Okay, so if you own a glass cooktop, then you already know one boil over and this thing is gonna look crazy. I've tried the baking soda thing. I've tried scrubbing it with regular cleaner. It either streaks or I'm scrubbing it forever. This is the Wayman glass and ceramic cooktop cleaner. You get the polish and these scrubbing pads together in a bundle, and I love this because you don't have to buy anything extra. I put a layer of cleaner over the area that I'm working on and then use the pad to loosen everything up. The instructions say to buff with a paper towel to shine.